Hi everyone, Ravenpool161 here, and I got another parcel today. It arrived at my parcel collect address. So happy about this one because I've been waiting for it for a while. I bought it from eBay and the stores. All these items were in customs for a month, so I finally got it in, which is awesome. And they had to send it directly from Sydney. I've got it open for you. Great. Okay, they have done an oversized box. Just a second. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause it again. Ah, look! Okay. I'm gonna have to stick this box in there. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so awesome. Oh my gosh. I love him so much. He's a living nature plush. How cool is he? I love the detail too. He's a really good quality plush too. Look at him! Oh my gosh. I love his tail. So yeah, all our living nature stock was at Sydney, and their stores in Victoria. So all their stock of living nature was in Sydney for a month. So they had to get it sent directly from Sydney, and I was so glad it came before Christmas because I was so excited to get him. He's so awesome! And for its teddy bear treasures on eBay if you want him. He's awesome.